Hi everyone, in this video I will be talking about theorem based on right cosets and left cosets. So here is the theorem. The theorem says if H is a subgroup of G, group G, then there is a 1-to-1 correspondence between any two right cosets of H in G. That means they have given on group G and they have given subgroup H, and we have to show that there is 1-to-1 correspondence between two right cosets of H in G. For that we have to take two right cosets and let that right cosets be HA and HB. Then we have to define a mapping from HA to HB. Then we have to show that mapping is well defined 1 1 and on 2. Okay, so this is the process. So let's get started. For the generation of right cosets, we have to take elements from group right. So let us consider A, B belongs to group G. Let HA and HB be two right cosets. Right. I am taking the element from group and multiplying it to the subgroup. If I multiply the element to the right side of subgroup, then it is called right coset, right? So I am multiplying A to the right side of H and I am multiplying B to the right side of H. So these are two right cosets. Okay. First, let us consider these two right cosets are equal. If HA is equals to HB, that means HA and HB are identical. In the previous video I have told that if HA and HB are not disjoint, then they are identical. That means the elements of HA and HB are same. If the elements of HA and HB are same, then obviously there exists a 1-to-1 correspondence. HA and HB will be 1 1 on 2 and well defined. Okay, so here there is nothing to prove if right cosets are equal. So there is nothing to prove. Now I am considering right coset HA and HB are disjoint. That means HA intersection HB is equals to 5. Now I am defining a mapping F from right coset HA to right coset HB. Okay, by first mapping F of elements of right coset will be in the form of first elements of subgroup H. Small h belongs to capital H subgroup. Okay, and A as it is. Okay, is equals to now codomain. Elements of subgroup small h belong to subgroup H. Okay, and B as it is. So I defined a mapping. Now I will show this mapping is well defined. Okay, F is well defined. Now we have to show that F is well defined. Mapping F is well defined. Okay, for the mapping to be well defined, we have to take the elements as same and show that images are also same. Okay, so I am considering elements of right coset. First this one, H1A is equals to H2A. H1 and H2 are elements of subgroup H. These two elements are equal. Okay, I am considering these two elements are equal. Now I have to show that image of these two elements are also equal. Okay, now by cancellation law, right cancellation law, this A gets cancelled, right cancellation law. So H1 is equals to H2. Now what I have to do to get the images as common? See here, HB is equals to F of HA, right? So H1 is equals to H2. So I will multiply B on both sides. Okay, to get the images as common. I am multiplying B on both sides. H1B is equals to H2B. we know that f of HA is equals to HB, right? So here H1B is equals to f of, in place of H substitute H1, H1A, likewise f of, in place of H we have H2, so H2A as it is. So I have taken that elements are common and I have got images are also common. Therefore, F is well defined. Now, I have to show that F is 1, 1. For the function to be 1, 1, I have to take the images are same and show that elements are also same. Okay. So, f of H1A is equals to f of H2A. F of H1A is nothing but H1B, right? Likewise, f of H2A is equals to H2A in the place of H and B, right? Next, by right cancellation law, these two gets cancelled. So, H1 is equals to H2. Now, multiply A on both sides. H1A is equals to H2A. Now elements are same. I have taken images are same and I have got elements are also same. Therefore, F is 1, 1. Now I have to show that F is onto, right? For the function to be onto, every element in domain, every element in codomain should have a pre-image in domain. This is codomain and this is domain. Every element in codomain should have a pre-image. Here domain is HA and codomain is HB. Mapping is F, right? So, we have to take one element in HB and show that HB has a pre-image in HA, domain HA. Okay. Then the function is onto. Now, HB belongs to right coset HB. Okay. HB is belonging to right coset HB. Okay. Here, H is belonging to subgroup H, right? This H is belonging to subgroup H. Then, there exists HA belongs to right coset HA, right? Here, HA is belonging to right coset HA, right? If I apply mapping F, then it will be F of HA, right? So, here F of HA is equals to HB, right? So, for every element in codomain HB, there exists a pre-image, right? We have got HA, right? So, this is onto, right? Such that F of HA is equals to HB. We have got for every element in codomain, there exists a pre-image. This is onto, condition for onto, right? So, we have proved that F is 1, 1, F is well defined and F is onto. So, there exists a 1-to-1 correspondence between two right cosets. Similarly, this proof is applicable for right cosets as well. Hope you understood this theorem. Thanks for watching.